in space, what there is, I think, is that there's the deterrence based on value. And that's what, personally, as a space person, formerly at NASA, formerly going into space, is very interested in, is making sure that people can continue to go into space in the future. That someday that we'll have an outpost, a scientific outpost on the moon, an international scientific outpost like Antarctica, where we work for science, where we work for the good of humanity, understanding our planet, our solar system. So the deterrence for space looks something like, if everybody has valuable assets in space, such as a GPS system, right? China has one, Beidou. Europe has one, okay, Galileo. Russia has one, I don't know. So the question is, if everybody has enough high value in space, then perhaps we won't contest it as much because of all of the damage that can be done to those assets. By democratizing space for economic endeavors, for international endeavors, the value there is so high that it becomes difficult for countries to risk that. What NPS is doing in that regard in particular is we're building partnerships everywhere we can with other spacefaring allies. And so I believe that although we will take the contested nature of our species with us everywhere we go, I hope that we will civilize it so that we will end up competing economically rather than going through the destructive nature of modern warfare.